are starting again after light lunch here in the nowhere. What is that? High stone, yeah. You get South Star. I see that having a big stone in between the road, middle of the road. But we are also in between of nowhere. So we are starting, and from this point to our destination, it will be 80 kilometers. And still the weather, it's about 18 degrees. 18 degrees plus, so it's very warm. And it's like it's humid today. No, yeah, it just, that is why it's very warm, because the wind, it's still. And here is, yes, another tourist. Also explore the nature, the beauty of the nature here in Iceland. And we can see the sky a little bit pinkish, so that's very nice. But careful, Ilskan.
So short.
It has a lot of stone and the gravel. It's so rough. Here is another one. But here is, we can see here, there is also a green. Wherever we go, in somewhere middle of the mountain, middle of the saying, many people saying that some part of Iceland like a moon, and we are here. So it's just like a moon. Even you are in the moon, you can find also a grasses and water. That's right. I saw that in the documentary. In the moon, there is a water and grasses, and also, yeah, it seems like this. And remember that, what you say? There here in Iceland, there is a training for spaceship, or what is that? Scientist?
Astronaut.
Astronaut in here. There is a special place for that. But we cannot go there because that's only for the special, like the astronaut training. Because that's what they say. Iceland, it's just like some part of Iceland, especially here in the highest mountain, it's just like a moon. So we are here once again. Once again. So we will explore in here in the very highest mountain, 800 above level sea. So see you guys.